Hey everyone, Alex here from the Expo, and today I'm gonna talk to you about one very interesting project. It was very simple, but even simple projects can be interesting, and this one took 3 alterations, I would say. We started from industrial design that I'm gonna show to you on the screen. We moved to a 3D design engineering, and now we actually finished the prototyping, and I'm going to show you the actual completed units as well. So here on the screen you can see industrial design, that it was the first step in creating this product. As you can see here, it's very simple. It's brushed aluminum and it holds the MagSafe charger for the iPhone, and there's 3 versions for different type of iPhones. Right now we completed 2 for 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So this is the industrial design, just an idea of the version 1. After this was completed, we moved to the engineering stage, and here is the model in the SolidWorks. As you can see, there is the iPhone, the charger in the back. I'm going to hide the iPhone so you can see more. So the charger in the back, the cable is being routed through here. It goes down, any extra cable is being secured here, and there is a hole in the back that goes into the outlet. So it's very simple design. It's a one piece of metal, and it's going to be on the market very soon. So we had a small issue here with the section view. I assume it's because of the MagSafe charger, but you can see it's a one very thick piece of metal that client wanted to do. When this was completed, the next phase was, of course, prototyping. Here are some raw images from our photo shoot, and you can see here just one block of metal. That'll be it. You can stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.